Welcome to the video tutorial of Mindspark. In this video, we will learn how the CA can see the student report to view the details of the work done by the Nanikalis by logging through the CA admin IDs. So let's understand the student report through the questions mentioned below in this video. Firstly, we will know what is a student report. Then secondly, when will the CA see this report in Mindspark? Thirdly, we will know the usefulness of why is it necessary to view this report in Mindspark, and lastly, we will understand what will the CA observe about the Nanikalis in this report and how to do that. So let's start with the first question. Here you can see the image of the student report which gives the detailed information about the total time taken by each Nanhikali in Mindspark, their actual learning level and the work done on various topics. It is necessary to look at this report daily because by looking at this report, the CA will know every minute details of the Nanhikali like the list of topics completed, number of questions attempted, percentage of the questions answered correctly, the actual learning level of the Nanhikali, list of the students answering randomly without understanding, etc. Now let's understand what will the CA look for in this report and how to do that. To view this report, the CA will enter the login ID and password in the Nandi student app through the tablet as shown in the picture. And then select the subject. Just after that, the next screen has the home page of the report, where the CA has to click on the student option out of the 4 options given below as shown in the picture. On the next screen, see the usage details of Mindspark as per the Nanhikalis through the student report. To view the report, select the class at the top left side of the screen and then select the date or days for which you want to see the report. Now moving on to the bottom of the screen, you have to click on the arrow on the right side of the heading Name and Class and select Total Usage from the options. Here you will get to know the usage details of the Nanhikali, which means the total time spent by each Nanhikali in Mindspark, which is given in minutes. Now click on the arrow once again in the same box, and then if you select math level or Hindi level, you will be able to see the subject wise actual learning level of each Nanhikali, which will be obtained after giving their level test. Moving forward, when we click on the name of the Nanhikali, then on the next screen, you can see the details of the work done on the various topic by that Nanhikali. Now, you can also see at the middle of the screen which mentions 3 by 4 and 69, which means that the Nanhikali has worked on 3 out of the 4 topics and she has received a total of 69 Sparkies so far. Now, you might be wondering what are Sparkies? So whenever a Nanhikali gives the answer to 3 consecutive questions correctly, she will get a Sparky. That is, we can say that here the Nanhikali has given the answer to 3 consecutive questions for a total of 69 times. So she has got 69 Sparkies. Now moving further at the bottom of the screen, when we click on the arrow in front of the name, you will see 4 options which are progress, total question, total attempt and accuracy. With the progress option, you will be able to know how many topics the Nanhikali has finished working and how many are left. When you attempt the total question option in the same box, you will be able to know the total number of questions in various topics of that Nanhikali. Again, when you select the total attempt option in the same box, you will be able to know the total number of questions attempted and solved by that Nanhikali in various topics. And finally, by clicking on the arrow in the same box and selecting accuracy, you will know the percentage of the total questions that has been answered correctly by the Nanhikali. So, at the end of this report, the CA can get the detailed information about the work done by each Nanhikali in Mindspark and can give special attention to those who have a lower percentage of answering questions correctly and can encourage the ones who are doing well. This was all about the student report. Hope you understand the know-how and usefulness of this report. Thank you.